Hey friends, Will Silvers here, driver Mojo. Want to talk to you about Uber rentals today. Did you know you can actually drive a rental car on the Uber platform? Yes, you can, but it has to be a specific Uber approved rental. They've got agreements with certain rental companies. It could vary in your area. Unfortunately, I learned this after renting a $400 car from Budget and thinking I was going to put it onto the platform, and then I discovered that you will get deactivated if you try that. Did not do it. Proceeded to get the Uber rental and found out that it was $240. It was even cheaper than what I had shelled out. I wish I'd known that before renting that no refundable vehicle. Anywho, get this car through Avis in our area, and it's not all Avises. It's only specific Avises. There's only 2 locations in Indianapolis that you can do Uber fleet rentals from, and that's the Capitol downtown and West Washington Street. Now, West Washington Street canceled the reservation on me. I'm sorry, we don't have any cars. And I made another reservation for the next day for the other one. So, subject to availability, of course. So, with that being said, $250 a week plus gas. If you're driving full time, man, you're looking at about $350, maybe more, of expense. Now, this may be worth it to you. Drive however much it is to cover the expenses of your car. But it's very easy to rent the car through the Uber platform. Go into the part where it has to do with the registration for your cars and add a car. At that point, if you are an eligible driver and you're in an area where I guess they have agreements with it, you may see a button that says get a rental, an Uber rental. So something to think about. Everybody needs a backup plan. Maintenance is a constant issue. We drive a ton of miles, so sometimes you're going to need to have a backup vehicle. Also utilize another thing inside the Uber app for the free towing, because twice now I've had to have my car towed to the dealership, and that's been gratis because of my diamond status and going into the rewards perks in the app. So that's been something actually useful that they've given us in here in the last few years. So just wanted to talk about the Uber rentals and let you know that where to find them, and don't try and rent a car and then put it onto because you don't have registration papers. Everything's going to get rejected, but it's easy peasy. And I actually, as soon as I went into the Uber app, the Toyota Corolla popped up on there, and every day I verify, yep, I'm driving the Toyota Corolla and all the paperwork's done. It's kind of on a revolving basis. Keep it up to 8 weeks. They might have to switch you out. So it's a little pricey for sure. It's not the ideal thing, but if you need to get through, get your repairs done, that's going to work in a pinch. Let me know how you deal with your auto maintenance issues when you don't have a car, you're not driving, you're not making money. If you're a full-time driver, if this is your part-time gig, maybe this is not specifically tailored message to you, but maybe you're just trying to get a car, to use for a week or two, and maybe drive Uber just to cover the expenses of that car, and then go on vacation. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, share. We'll see you in the next one.